Hello friend, welcome. Starting from today, we'll play Python. Okay, a great programming language used a lot in mathematical world and AI industry. Okay, so in this video, we'll try Hello World in Python. Okay, so we'll create a Python workplace in my computer where we are. Okay, this is Haskell workspace, so we'll go one level up and check here. So we have Haskell workspace like that. We have Xcode workspace. Let's create one make dir for Python workspace. Okay, cd py there, pwd, yeah, ls nothing. Okay, so Python, you might need to install Python in your Windows computer, but in the Mac OS is already installed. Okay, so here is that thing, Python. Let's check its version. It's like that. Yeah, this is the version installed on my Mac OS. My Mac OS Big Sur version 11.0.1. The Python 2.7.16, right, is installed. Was installed by default. Okay, what can we do with that? So let's create a file using, this is my text editor, so you can use any pure text editor you like. Okay, so like hello.py, so press I to enter the insert mode. So it's easy, print hello world like that. Okay, that's it. Press escape key to quit the insert mode. So now here is the command mode of vim text editor. Now press :X here near the bottom left. Okay, the command X means save and quit. Okay, now let's check our content here. You see hello.py. Can we run it? Let's try Python hello. What? File line 1 print syntax. Oh, I missed the double quote there. Okay, so let's go back using the up arrow key, right? We can go here, vim that, and use $, right? Shift $, we can go to the end of that, and here we can press I for insert and add that one, escape key. Now we quit the insert mode. If we press I again, we are inside, right? Insert mode, escape key to quit. Now : under the command mode of vim editor, we can use : and shortcut for X means quit, save and quit. Okay, this time let's check, double check, right? We can use the cat command to show the content of that. Okay, now we don't have the missing closing quote. Okay, and another thing similar to cat, right, is less, hello. Yeah, this is not, press Q to quit. Okay, and more is also good, I think. This is the terminal command. Yeah, quit Q. Okay, Q to quit. Now let's run it. Python and I just type part of that and the tab key, right? Now hello tab key. Yeah, it works. Okay, so we have our source code like that, and Python run it using this command. Okay, now let's try Python interactive environment. So if we use that, we enter the Python interactive environment. Yeah, so here we can run our program, right? Like hello world directory. Yeah, hello world. And we can do math like that. It will evaluate this guy here, right? And like always, I want to change this prompt to something interesting. In Haskell, GHCI, Haskell compiler interactive environment, I changed the prompt to lambda, because lambda calculus is the foundation, foundation of Haskell programming language. So here I want to use a snake. So how to do that? We need to import system, then system.ps1 equals space control command space. You can search snake. Yeah, click it and space. I'll use that. You see it changes, right? Okay, now let's do the using up arrow key. We can go back to here. This is our hello world code. Okay, so other than hello world, we know, right, the three important things in any program language is run in order. Okay, so that's easy, we don't need to demonstrate that. And the second one is if else. Okay, so let's do this. A equals 3, we assign 3 to A. Now if A is greater than, then let's use 7, right? We end that using colon, so there's no curly braces for the if block, but we need indentation. So you can use tab key or just use space. I use tab key is faster than 2 spaces. Okay, so if that one, we print something like A is greater than 7, right? Okay, so if else like that, tab key, very important, print. We can just use up arrow key to get back here, right? So is smaller, right? No, smaller or equal to, right? Now enter. We should end our program, this block, right? If else, enter again. Now you see the program was run and the output is A is smaller than, the A is smaller or equal to oh sorry, that's not good. So now this time let's change. We need to write this again here. If, right, is greater than that, else, let's fix this, equal to, enter again. Yeah, A is smaller or equal to 7 because it's not greater than 7. Okay, so how to quit that? we can use quit this, or we can use this to leave the Python environment, interactive environment, okay? Or we can use Control D, right? So to enter again, we just run Python, and to quit. So there's no history now. If we, yeah, so to quit, we can use quit, right? There's another place we can play with Python if you like. Let me introduce that. So it's on a website, one of my favorite website, and it's called Sage. Yeah, this guy, Sage sageMath.org. okay, every math lover should go here. Okay, so here you see the language. We can, what is Sage? Let's give you some like feel about that, okay? And it can do math, of course. If we click if we click the evaluate, we can get the value out. It will evaluate that 5, okay? And it can solve, it can do factor. For example, 100, you can do the factor. And a shortcut key for evaluate button is Shift Enter. Wow, it's so cool, right? 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power 2, and it can do like divisors. No, Shift Enter. Wow, all the devices are listed here, and it can solve equations like for example, let's do something like x plus 5 equals like, right, 4 minus x. Can we do that? Let's see. Shift Enter. Arrow. Do we need that? Yes. We need to put a second parameter there, x. So it means we are solve this equation relative to x. So the answer is negative 1/2. Negative, is it good? Yeah. Another thing it can do is plot, right, a function like x squared. Okay, so let's give a try. Shift Enter. Wow, is it beautiful? Okay, so we can put another plot, right, x to the power of 3, and Shift Enter. Okay, I'll stop here. You can play with that, but since this is our hello world Python, we can write Python code directly here. That's why this is a great place, right? So let's see. Let's do a for loop, okay? For I in, this is in 5 colon. So you see, we need Python use the indentation to specify a block, right, of for loop. So print, say I equals, okay, plus, we'll change the value of I to string so that we can concatenate, right, that guy. That's it. So Shift enter. Wow, right? Gorgeous. And if you like, you can select the Python here, but you don't have to. You don't have to Python because we can write, right, Python code just inside the Sage environment. Okay. So, oh, don't forget our hello world convention. Hello world. It should work here. No, this one. And evaluate hello world. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.